Meaning of horned.
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 Horned. Horned is an adjective used to describe something that has horns, or horn-like projections. Horns are bony structures that grow from the heads of certain animals, such as cows, sheep, and deer. These structures are often used for defense, as well as for establishing dominance among members of the same species. The term horned can also be used in a figurative sense to describe someone or something that is fierce or aggressive. Overall, the word horned is closely associated with strength, power, and wildness.